Wait, where's that stupid TNT that we messed with before that would explode and create a nuke? Oh, it's taking a while to load.
Uh-oh. Did you save the other one?
No, it didn't take long.
Go to blue team.
Loading. It's still loading.
Oh, it's still loading?
Yep. So don't break the glue. Oh, we did.
Well, the viewers are about to see what happens when you put millions of pieces of dynamite inside each other.
With like 10,000 blocks.
Yep.
It's still loading, by the way. It's still loading.
Bro. Oh, I just froze.
Unable to load boat. Cope.
Oh, I'm frozen again.
Yeah, because I dropped it.
Oh no.
Wait. Oh no.
Oh. It's frozen.
Darn it.
Wait, no, we don't have a million TNT, we have a million blocks inside this one right here.
It didn't load correctly, have to reload it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Nah.
Are you sure? Because I'll explode it right now inside our plot.
What?
I can't even sit down in the chair.
I can't even move my camera.
That's not good. My game froze. Should we join a more full game with this?
Sure.
Okay, I'll join one, I guess. Yeah,
I'm back. I'm back.
Yeah, because I left.
But you're still here.
No, I'm not.
You're still sitting in the chair. Oh.
Hunter, join me.
It froze again.
Just hold F4.
No. Yeah, I can't even move my mouse. Yep, I'm alt F4ing. That didn't do anything.
Then task manager. That's how you know it's a good thing, right?
Windows key.
Attention everyone in this game. Cope. Ready?
Hey, it's not killing me. I get into the camera.
Yeah. You in it?
Alright. Yeah, I'm in it.
Are there people at yellow team?
Yes, there are.
Okay, actually inside.
And it's frozen.
Oh, mine just froze.
Oh, it's back.
Mine's not.
Okay, what if I put my quality all the way down? Maybe that will help a little bit. Probably not. I can't even see the other side of our plot now.
I feel like they updated something so now it's worse. It's laggier.
What if you delete a couple of the million blocks that we have?
If I could even get it to...
Or just explode it now.
Okay, I'll just spam the F button.
Well, my screen's not frozen. Oh, it's moving. It's frozen again.